how to shift your law firm from client complaints to client compliments.
Our clients' happiness and satisfaction is the fuel to grow the firm. We wanted that client interaction to improve. We recognized we needed to improve it, number one, but identifying the tools that we could use to do so, and then taking the time as a team to build it out. Specifically, Hona was one software that we utilized in 2025. And then midway through that project, we discovered AI and the fact that ChatGPT could help us build out however many unique messages that we wanted to share with our clients.
Did you literally count the number of client inquiries that you were receiving before versus what you are now? And did you just notice your staff satisfaction is up and they gave you reports that, hey, client communication is gone down and we were able to get more done? Or did you just realize, oh, we're getting resolution on cases faster because we can get the work done better and it's obvious in the results that this has worked? Or is it some combination of all of that?
We weren't tracking like every time a client reached out for an update. You didn't have time to do that. But what we did do is we looked at the adoption rate for clients who were entering into that pipeline.
Right.
And so once we started tracking the adoption rate as it crept up, which I think now it's close to like 70%, those calls went down. And my staff frustration and dissatisfaction with their jobs because they were able to actually get work done and do the things that they really wanted to do in the day and felt a sense of accomplishment having been able to complete these tasks without the interruptions of having to deal with angry clients. And so instead of complaints, we've now started getting compliments. Your staff is so communicative. Thank you for always following up.
I think everybody listening to this would stand up and go, yes, please, let me have that, please. Because so many times in service-based businesses, they're reactive. And when they don't hear, they make up stories in their mind. And so they pick up the phone and they complain. And some of them go to the extreme and they complain to the bar or they complain on Google or whatever, right? We provided them with the opportunity to cut down that reaction by being proactive in our communication. I love this.
In fact, we were looking at how can we decrease staff time on these little communications. And so now, instead of clients having to call us because they hadn't heard from us in a while, they're getting that communication. And the amount of follow-up update requests decreased tremendously. And it accomplished what we set out to accomplish, which was giving our staff more time for the tasks that were really driving the cases forward.